Hey gang, y'all welcome back to the Roadhouse. Happy Saturday everybody. Today we're going to do a little cooking on the Weber. Something different, you know, just kind of throw some ideas around. Today we're going to do a bacon wrapped mozzarella meatloaf. So sounds like something pretty interesting. So I'm waiting for the Weber to come up to temp. I'm going to get me an adult beverage and I'll meet y'all back inside when we're ready to put this thing together. Alright, y'all welcome back. We got, probably close to a couple pounds just, you know, ground beef there. So we'll be wrapping it in bacon. We got some regular old original bacon. We got some fresh mozzarella. And I did saute some regular old, you know, just onions and, you know, little peppers and that to throw in here. So we're gonna dump this stuff in here. You got to have a little bit of seasoning in there. And we'll be using breadcrumbs for a binding agent. I won't be using the egg today. And what we're going to do, gang, we're going to hit this with some Kosmos Q SPG. Get it good and seasoned up. Oh yeah, about that much. Alright. And we're going to put our breadcrumbs in. I say this is going to be our binding agent right here, so kind of eyeball it, you know what I'm saying? So we'll get all this mixed up, incorporated, and then what we'll do is we're going to form us a meatloaf. Oh yeah, man, look at that. Boy, that's going to be some good eats, y'all. That's going to be some good stuff. So, alright, let me get this set up, get the rest of this mixed up. I'll be right back. Alright, gang, we mixed up, and just took, you know, patted it down kind of even. That way we can get it spread out. I'm going to hit it with just a little bit more of our SPG here. That should be good. And first what we got to do is get our mozzarella. Let's see if I can get this stuff out of here. Oh yeah, baby. You gotta love it when they slice it like that, huh? Alright. We're going to put some down the middle just like that. We're going to wrap that dude in some bacon, so alright. Keep all that tucked in there so she don't jump out on it. I don't know if it's going to be more like a meatloaf or a mozzarella loaf. We're going to see, y'all. Hey, there you go, gang. Hey now. Back in there, buddy. Alright. Let's tuck our ends in. Not bad. Alright, now, my first time doing one like this, so we learn together, y'all. Let's see if we can squanch it up just a bit. Alright, y'all, we got our bacon laid out. That's 1 pound of bacon. So we're going to take our little meatloaf here. Oh yeah. Ain't that pretty? How y'all like that? Huh. There you go, folks. I'll meet y'all outside. Alright, gang, gets up to temp. Let's see if we can slide this bad boy on here right quick. And if y'all noticed, I did overlap my bacon on there. So, alright, gang, that's it. We're going to put us a little bit of hickory wood on here, and we're gonna let this dude go till it's done. Which hopefully it won't be too long, because the moonshine getting kind of hungry. We got that on that side. We're gonna put that on that side. That's it for that bag. Alright, gang. I'm gonna let her rip. We'll check on it probably in about 30 minutes. Alright, it's been about 40 minutes. Man, that's looking good. I had to pin a couple of my bacon strips. They're trying to curl back on me. They look good, y'all. It smells good, I'll tell you that. Alright, we'll get about another 20. We're gonna check our temperature, so we'll be back. Alright, then about another 30 minutes. Let's see how we're doing. Ooh, boy, that's looking good, y'all. Gosh, that smells good. Look at that. Look at that, man. Heck yeah. Let's grab our instant read and check us a little temp right quick. 150, 150. Alright, we're going to go a little bit more. Yeah. Alright. And then going for about probably 165 somewhere in there. But a few more minutes, y'all. I'm going to give it about another 15. We'll come back and check it. Alright. 15-minute timer just went off. Oh, look at that. Boy, look at that son of a gun. That looks good. Let's check our temp, y'all. And y'all know bacon smells good. 166. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. Smells fantastic, y'all. Oh, look at that. Man, that's alright. Kind of like a beef log instead of a meatloaf. That juice. Alright, I'm going to tint this and let it rest while the potatoes are getting finished up. Miss Carrie's doing some of her sides. She's doing some Israeli butter potatoes, probably butter garlic. We got some baked beans with some bacon and jalapeno in there. And no sausage today, folks. But we got the pork racha and the beef and the goodness on the inside. So we'll be back after this rest and the potatoes are done. Let's untint this bad boy and see what we got here. Oh yeah. Alright, we're going straight down the middle. Oh, good gracious. Oh man. Juicy. Y'all ready for this? Oh man. Oh, look at that. Wow. Look at that. Man, I need a towel. That looks pretty good, huh? Hey, nice little smoke ring too. Y'all see that? Check that out. Carrie says she's hungry like the wolf. Well, look at that, y'all. Let's get us a slice of this. And y'all come up here and let's get us a little bite. That sure is juicy, I tell you that. Oh my goodness. The mozzarella meatloaf, huh? How you like that? You come over here. Let's just get us a slice. We'll try to go in between the bacon right here. Oh man, that's just nothing wrong with that. Look, still smoking. Juicy as I don't know what, y'all. Look at that bacon. Alright, I can't stand it no more. We gotta get a bite. Alright, I'm gonna cut this in half. Cheers to y'all. Hell yeah. Nice smoke from the hickory, the SPG, and the mozzarella. Oh my goodness. And don't forget the bacon. Animals are going nuts, man. Dang, y'all. That's a hookup, man. Moist. All right, I'm gonna plate up and get y'all some pics. Y'all have a great weekend. Winter, winter, mozzarella meatloaf dinner. Look at this thing. He trying to get some, huh? Wow. Mook is going nuts, y'all. Look at him. Look at him. You want some of that, boo-boo? Okay, I'm gonna give you some. Let Daddy finish up the video. Alright, y'all. We're gonna get out of here. Hey, thank y'all very much. Appreciate y'all. Y'all have a great weekend, and we'll see y'all next time.